What?
Nothing?
We're just gonna ride it down to like 2 and come back up.
Yeah,
We, as we go to the ground floor, might be a step.
exactly.
Considering the sign right there.
Oh,
Those come out. Oh yeah, there's tile ceilings.
What is this? Stairway. This thing takes its time, huh?
Either that or it's like the other one is broken.
No, this one's working.
It's here, maybe.
Honey, I think there's somebody at the door. Ooh! Ooh! I like this one.
It's got a rear door.
I hope they mod this one, because I'm going to snag that COP.
You hope they mod it?
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be right back. We're just, wait, why are we going to 1?
I might as well. They're not going to care. We'll just tell them we got on the wrong elevator.
We just want to see where we're going.
Exactly.
Oh, we got this card. We like we're front telling us. Hey, don't make fun of the elevator.
Should we take that? Never mind.
No. We'll just ride it back up. We don't need that.
Yeah.
These fixtures are pretty beat up.
Yeah, right?
We'll just ride it back up.
Oh, we're doing. Yeesh.
Yeah. I'll push the 5.
Wait. This was something before it was. Wait, dude, this was Westinghouse.
Oh, is that a plate?
I think that's Westinghouse.
Huh. So these used to be, this is square and the other was circle, right?
Yeah, wait, this was definitely something before it was US. Like, look at this cab. This is way older than
Oh, yeah.
US.
US didn't make cabs that look like this.
No, sir. Maybe not a. No, maybe not a. Maybe a Rotary. Yeah, Rotary made cabs that look like this, so this could
Let
have
me
been.
take a picture of the.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna get some